again. Mentally, you're moving. Almost there, I'm in fever.
And cheer and come out, baby, be a wobia. Aha, I get the Jenny so. And the senior me at the break at me, you sheer or the Jenny so. Now, dear Shrunko Cranny say, a season 3. I said, the money no. Now, what you be a your beji when you my any, a kutsini, a titri, it didn't come on. Nay, and your mofa, the Jenny of all life to be where they are now. Na ene, menya one beautiful woman, and if the fashion science no, is serious. And the local social media. Was she entered the kind of boutique for the pneumonia de ton because she's so pretty, intelligent, and I mean, Minister Oba. So because oh yes, she's no other than ROSELYN FELLI and a menyan ewa hase. Now oh your face just say oh my one brand the baby jina ye pa. Then I'm so sad to say we jaya hoko. It's even come over very cause so na share the journey. ROSELYN, akwaba.
Thank you, me that's pa.
Just me that's to say. Me friend wa banende obe catchy am I.
Me that's so oh me catchy pa.
Hey.
Me catchy pa.
Oh, fashion sense is serious oh. Again I inspire you too. I mean you always look good.
Inspiration today. I don't know if maybe free but me kind of say me have for like na me life. Me my pay life free me collaborate me here neck. You see watch it. It's just you know always say uko baby I will make a statement. You say so say make sure say be looking how you want to be respected.
Okay.
Inti debi no uko baby me mama asem bi o kan say baby I will be and make sure say we make a statement.
No. Not just say abrabomu no appearance cry etimi do baby.
Yes.
Number one. You show bank account. You never show honam.
Oh, so you show first. They are more respect. When the baby's our bank account. Now, obi some cry me can probably do. It's here and say, "Obi make sure so looking the best." And open doors every mouth.
Good.
Yes.
Good. The way I want your fair. What worry? Hey, remember how long?
As a papa make can say, remember the baby Obakra, one possibly one bodama, you so wow, Bisa was the only wine. It's a very sunny at TBR. Remember, you're better to one better to, and yes, and you're very old. But Sunny, I'll be CC Ohono, a doors maybe mouth. Okay, yes. Opportunities, not say, oh, near or more car could date, and that's a baby. Be opportunities we bring. I always tell people, say, I think Tina, presidents, or more about to say America, or more stylists. Yes. And you're very, very important. But I have to say Africa, no, in fact, you need to sign your man. Make I share a man or a model, the interview be, or say I invest in my looks because I want to be sick of into baby, I will sick of now, why invest? And I use your Jumana, it looks first because a TV, you look and feel. And see, I was also making sure, say, Debiano, we on point. On point, and be a doors them out. Ambassadorial deals. Wow. In fact, yes. MC need a lot of things. Now we Juma one TV station. Would not say Nyaka TV Nidia as your wo. Oh man, you're very popular. Debia will show trendy. Bloggers if and I make us say, almost not because of show no. Almost because of you. Oh. Now, mama caption be. Caption. The caption. That's also. So you really help this station. Now you are no more. The face is gone. Do you think they will survive? They will survive. Say nyami yoko baby de bia wo si obi ehyewane enti baby amekọ no so nyami ebie kwan ama mekọ ho but definitely nyami behwe omo nyami na ma oboafo o ma ne boafo enti obi a o wiase no o oboafo enti mekọ no egu definitely nyami be raise obi wo ho no so etumi abo station engu but sure what are your face of something and na what chinkofo edra no pa obi ate wo ROSELYN show ni nyefe kwa ebe yefe because of how you handle it. Right. Now we giant hoko. Nyame be show. It na yesika na say because ejuma na bi no. So why do you just have to leave that and go to another way? Well, it was a reality. So again, make a reality yekoye ni. Akola yewa obe krole
obetna stay no one auntie enti enye say we start say we call no beka form eni say we form also to me sorry na one auntie enti emre no so say we nante na nya make say sorry na nante I was so tie na sorry na one auntie yeah
okay not just in life now bibia was say we look wo first
I was so looking first but tie nyame voice enti nya make say kwa na wo enti bibia ye bibia o see tie nyame me and say ye make move
yanti controversies e wo ho obeti ROSELYN na de no to kase ni shape no oh ha ni aba be kan so akoye surgery wonye surgery wo see surgery no ka me peska kura koye bi no wo see na be kan sampa see wasan kwa be say just won for mo kra wo see hwe na ho na see me peska
biye bi abe Sikandemba. Uye
bi abase ye. We ni na echi abase.
Biye bi abe.
Ene okay, ye be boye TV show.
Me criticize you bia why the surgery. I think say obia in your pen
yeah.
Enti say no na be mani panic ni agea. I don't know what's all stopping. I don't know what's all criticizing. Why ya na ho aye fe. Nyame aye yadom. O ye mu bi wo kwa wa che naturally. But obi wo kwa wa farmer no. But ene be man aye confident man no see she heals me ayetente me me nipati etia esu me she heal yetente
it was so dear no no was also be a checking if you answer wakasa
exactly into or not so say me yefunu so person me kwatwe me yefunu also allow no exactly
your industry yeah today beef tomorrow that oh me who beef e wo ho obi sure because I'm a role model we don pen and wasem and you say you don't like beef and I say Tayana you think it's not good for your brand.
It's not good for the brand.
Okay.
We are saying Obia we before. Obia we before. Obia bet me akasa me nie before no boa.
No boa.
A part of it even Jesus. Once upon a time. Yes. Obia we before. But then it was so to me controlling. And this we before a controlling. Enti go any master with the before. Very difficult to come back. And I always say we are saying no say wo ye bibia twen wo da achi ho. Where do you want to be the next
not
5
the trend
years?
now.
Not the trend now. If I'm a person we want in the next 5 years, if I'm a person we want in the next 10 years, it may be a poor mammy and I say a bit to me they be a picture to go be to me I say wait you say we build this kind of brand. Obi or dream me followers, me trend. But ochine be no it to me close it doors be out. It's me I can say baby I me was see no I don't need be say na me see comport me no because almost to me can we until one sembony ni nyina aka wonte me pese ye no adwuma but yet one sembony a enke to close this door no
na ka ho fe ni nyina nka bibia
and now suban boni de fa won ko echi and now to me who be fuki to e bi na say nyoma wa ye bebre enti beef no me de enye me like
no lie na see the beef ba ho kra
me hwe ho
e betan aye chicken amaye ene e ye fish that tilapia no yin try ho enkwajin krato abo for ye ba it's still the journey. Yako akwaji enkrato aba oguswa ehwe the journey e wo Adum TV and na me guest ROSELYN FELLI na yani ni etwetwe nkomo e wo efia hase enti enko bibia ene ye bedi nkomo bro how is your journey and started saying if we him and then no bia nim ROSELYN
so the journey a quite tempting mama kind of sad but when you can be very aiming say quite no what my work industry more than probably 17 years yes yeah called University of Ghana is study theater arts
me age that's awesome
yeah study theater arts you know I checked Miria University 2007
okay
university but then no me call into the movies we LNG TV series Ladies and Gents into free one after school I'm cutting average back me back na me insurance
country been now
no more UK
oh okay in it
see me tina hall for a while and I'm buying to insurance
okay
it's me buy insurance no mo who said this is not my calling to be free insurance no and me call koye juma wo EID kakra.
Okay.
Because I just wanted the experience. It wasn't much, but at least it be a quite mommy, but a real mommy opportunity.
Okay.
It's the BM.
It's not well GH1.
Maybe EIM Star.
Star, okay.
Star FM.
Okay, Star FM.
Because yeah, when start a star.
Ah.
Or maybe opportunity.
Okay.
I must say.
Okay.
And I was there for a while. After 4 years, and I may call TV Africa. So
TV Africa.
I may be a coin with TV Africa and mommy. And no, because she had me old boss here. Now I'm in the University of Ghana.
Okay.
And or no say, or no, they know me.
Okay.
So he just threw me in. Wow. Because my name is over to me.
And you delivered.
Thank you. Sana journey na.
Being on TV, oh, Emba. You have a mother, you have family. Fashion sense and you serious. It's because saving in Aboma. What you then now handle as a mother, a wife, and then you're doing everything.
Nipe be out here, boy. Unto me, Nina. Yes, it's superwoman, Mojana. I'm here to me at the
That's the word.
I was so in your boy.
My
husband here, very, very, very supportive. Very, very extremely supportive. Yeah, but people school out to me in the corner of school when I have to work. Yes, very, very extremely supportive. My parents, on why my backbone for the longest. You know, my parents have always been there. Kolani people school, yeah, the Bekako yeah, the Nebebafi and everything. You know, so it's been hand go hand come. Me kunidi onye say de bia baba ye aduane mame because on so be ko adwuma ba enti ne ye wo ho ne ye bedi emre so be ye aduane anu wa ye di ebi wo be du fe no so aye o say ebi wo cross be friends say ne nya aduane me de aduane free ko me ba di because what break yes so me were very very supportive system they keep me going because I have to always be out there and my husband's on for adwuma pa so beba still he'll be supportive to me oh they be obadu ya okite aduane o say nya aduane.
Wow.
Yes.
Not just say your journey of life, no. So we'll try sing na o partner and away you'll be on so more. Won't me call and do baby o person would do no. It's a dinner have a catcher daddy or share.
Oh, just a dear make a cherry debia. And you want me so maybe I make a cherry no say me that in fact, me then I'm first because
for giving you such a husband. Yes.
And you'll be an yanasa.
Yeah.
But Yamiam will be Otimasi, Otimijumanasi, and Sido Sifami cry, you know, or Shemi, or best I should could be Yama. It's better I say. Was sacrifice or your mommy. I'm so grateful. So I also know my parents and so I say for all the sacrifice, my siblings, so when you know all the support system in my life, me don't mean even my sponsors cry. Yes, I'm because my sponsors with you, so I'm sorry. On every day they deliver.
I'm gonna hold you down.
They have held me down.
Wow.
They've held me down. And I'm just many old auntie. I'm person many auntie till. The person many better auntie that bad. No, yeah. You know, my relationship.
So now, no, what are you doing? Show Ben now, Show and Free Hall. What are you doing on Joy Prime?
The show is called Change. It's a lifestyle show.
Okay.
So lifestyle, but it's concentrating more on comfort or making impact in the society. So anybody could be on the show. We'll have fun on the show. We'll laugh. We'll cry. We'll dance. We'll do everything. You know, and it could be anybody. It could be the woman selling plantain at your doorstep.
That story can touch someone. Yeah.
It could be the one building houses for people. It could be even will be a propaganda or sorry, no propaganda. And
then the money,
so it's changes, but the lifestyle because we talk about everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Oh, I said, well, I know. Talk about everything. It's so kakraba. And Kofobe na assign you to be with their brand near day. Sometimes we shan't really be a what's my home crowd outside Nigeria near Dinko page now or more the air to how do you feel the excitement? Are you okay with it?
Well, I'm okay. I must say Yejuman is about exposure.
Yeah.
To be on those platforms, to be better said Jessica, but it's actually a privilege.
Good.
Because Sebio
can be you don't know.
Yes, it's a privilege. Obiti baby
yes.
Yeah, they're not all. And it's our dumbi and I find a when me and no beam who picture must say, girl, you know, me fair. At Hadio she a fatano, me pesa me using you see, it's a big business, why not? And I'm also the money exposure, so it's hand go hand come. And see, it's not about money or anything. That's a Beyonce money now, pictures of Ghana has.
I know money.
I see, maybe Shadi, China, you know, Alibaba. Wow,
baby, I say, me per Roselyn, so Roselyn and Saturday. Roselyn, Matimida. Roselyn and Dom Saturday, the Roselyn. Me correct say ain't ya shane into more than that so.
Aye, that be trouble was some stress be what me hear
ya the one boho.
Say one day miss cinema ko chiano.
Oh, ain't no could be worse.
Ah, come chiano cuz
I'm free.
Aye.
Sometimes you say where you zoom me.
Yes.
No when you exactly. We are down to earth, wow. Is it your upbringing Anna?
Is the upbringing a nyamisro. So unim nyamia unim seni pansa hwe nyame to me for bia no aye no defo enti se me hwe baby am free a me nka se me free poor background no
but nyamia ye bi yeah,
and my story is actually a testimony enti me hwa me ho because ene wan hwe yi akogwa hwa na nyame te wo ba foma obeka wasem say
na yeka
enti mo no obebra ho ase nipa bia ye nipa wo sister nipa bia ye nipa obi wo hokra ne obebie epon ama o debi
eh ye wumbu ni kra nobody,
and so I respect everybody. Many obi kind na many obi bon komo nipa no say oton wache ye bon komo say ada na o my nice I miss you many why nice that's why nipa to say me o say ne mebo eno ne me new baby am ye juma sia
wo say
ai sana nipa ye juma obo ano no ye top manager awo jaya okoye wache obi eni
one of the abrabo shebere etimi de budru eye ahoprase it say wo hwe ye na misrew so why you see a brafom na nyame intimi fa wonye dia oye ye ntwa ye ho enje nkrato aboafo ye ba is still the journey. Dear Koji Enkrato Aba Uguswa ehwe the journey ewo Adom TV and I'm a guest ROSELYN FELLI and I neni chuchi nkomo ewo the journey so enti jibre na yento so ROSELYN ofren
me enzemeni ayenzema.
No, okay.
Yeah, and I'm mommy and crying.
I am crying. It is ma and ain't crying. It is obi sharing. Now all your youth be or follow Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like everywhere. Or person yes a wo. A thing a foot na de be no.
First of all, nyamisho the first thing I was in Nipaninya. BBM no nyame. Say odwe so wa obetumi aye wa dia want me and yet it is never possible.
Okay.
Because side of yasina ye free no. Yene ahonhom ene na enti eni se wode nyo ma bi edi agro crowda enti e so fanya me first. Secondly so no e was so hard working, determined who be bia pese woko because ejuma bia obekom bia no ahyase ne yebebo kwase akakra but men give up because only me ope men first can do any sika de ebeba o ebeba ebefro okra enti first sika nye wo number one focus but rather no what the goal and answer what achievement the way your focus no matter the challenges you never give up but to set a goal and make sure so be achieve is our goal
obe set a goal no one make sure say obe achieve yeda was see so obe na answer na be kono e wodwuma de fefe bi wa ha and Mr. Sa na we ba kwa mame na ya hwede e wom fefe
right to me the left okay
oh okay
sorry,
sure
me left
the journey for CMB so say what brings you joy in life?
What brings me joy? Family.
Wow.
Yes, my family brings me joy. There's so much love. Well, maybe I'm free no.
Okay.
Very united.
Okay.
One, and they give me so much joy.
And that's everything.
Everything for me.
Yeah, that's so by answer now because you watch said there fefe bi wa ha edima o page ni de oniama go na you be nice way free sky
lovely.
Yeah, Sky Multimedia.
Oh,
see,
thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
Na the journey for so.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's so by.
Hey, flowers in our
house. Stress or don't. Yeah, do.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you for this opportunity. I know we are in like I said. Oh, I'm very, very grateful. Thank you for this opportunity. Now hard work, it will definitely pay off. Amen. May grace be your portion.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, that was Sister Waji Bread and Naomi a senior dear what the Jenny so. And then my guest, ROSELYN, Messia de also wolf him say, was ya de pa. I said that Cassia and come a boa for Master Yasin and our Chibia. It's me the Jenny April or at Dom TV so. A time here by Mr. or see malaria dear, a drawback of it, and one time I give us clean care for see fie neho any common a fly alliance consult for say. So we'll be to coin aquaman on it. Now what Timia Jiwene, say your holidays, say yes day, the opens away bia, open so go school cry, scholarship ni bibia, fly alliance consult for say, or mobile me up, obe from 0261 20 3780, and answer over for 055 250 1491. Na only omo edin kita home. Afi eye KNG herbal capsules. Wasi bema ubech naso and a lip tomato paste. Osi oba ma efie duane enya akono na enye de. Abuafo and aso masina na wochibia. Bitimi di Jenny Ebro e wo baby awo. Asemba ako and de bia make a trail. Missing a me woma ebeleye. Midasi midin e de Abena Ghana.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear.